What's up guys, it's Nitya. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we'll be making a silk thread bangle. So let's get started. First take something like this and start wrapping the silk thread around 50 times. Then seal the end with glue and cut it. Now take any old bangle, add some glue and start wrapping it around the bangle. Here I am adding one more which I have made in the same way. Once you're done with that, keep it aside. Now I've made orange, white and green by looping it 50 times itself. Now we will make plates with these three colors. Do seal the end once you're done making the plates. Now I'm also completed making the bangle. Now I will stick these plates around the bangle. Here I have these three colors, and now we'll cover the joint of the two plates using these three colors. In the same way, you need to do it for white and orange. And it's ready. That is it for this video. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.